In this video, I'm going to break down on a hover effect in Figma, and let me show you that what is this. So if I'm going to hover on Facebook, and as you can see, it's look like this. And when it is on Instagram, and as you can see, we get this type of animation. When it's coming to LinkedIn, we get this type of animation. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how we can do it. Okay. So to do that, we need to come here in this, like start it from here. So I have already taken a desktop screen so that we can see the preview, and all of this the same process. So first of all, we need to understand here how we just organize this file. I mean this component here. So this is the component one that is on Facebook, and it's have a simple logo of Facebook, like a white color, then normal text, and then it's have a like the icon mainly. So the icon we just place in there. And if you go to the next one, the next component, and then you get to see that the same logo is there, right? But the icon is mainly changed, and now it's white. And in the same content, change the color, and this is the same vector file that you get to see in here on this vector component one. We get to see this vector that was like 40, as you can see, with the width, but in here we just increase it a little bit, increase like a lot of increase we do, and that's why we get to see something like on the preview. Okay, so now to make the animation, we need to simply just select both of this. Simply you can select this one and this one, both of these you can select together, and let's click on these components and make it component site. And now go to here this prototype and click on this Facebook one, and simply link it to the next one, and need to select into, let's say, while hovering, and it's need to be only 800. Just simply make it 800 and change this into ease in and ease out. That's it. Okay, now I'm just gonna searching here on, if you go to the component, and if you search here Facebook 7 Facebook, or let's say, yeah, I think I'm not gonna get it, so that we need to search it by the name. So this is the component 7. So I'm simply drag and drop the component 7 into here, go to design, and simply make them center, and let's see the preview. And now as you can see, this is here, and if I'm just going to hover it, as you can see, now we get to see the beautiful animations. So by this way you can all of this, I mean the Instagram and LinkedIn, by this way you can do the same thing. So let me repeat it. If you don't understand it, then let me repeat it. So simply select this, both of these, then what I do, I just make a component site, and then I go to prototype, and then simply link it to the next one, right? The next frame, link it to the next one, and it's need to be while hovering, and this is the setting of the prototype that you can see. And now if you just simply place it, you might get to see the same thing, right? So let me go here, and if I'm just going to hover Instagram, as you can see, you get to see the same effect in here. So I hope you understand. If you want to see more prototype and Figma, then I highly recommend you watch my this course. It's available on Udemy. If you search in Google that expert azi Udemy, then I think you will get it. You will get my profile, or I will give you this link in my video description, so you can simply go to there and just like check it out, all of my courses in Udemy. So here is at my profile, just click out, then you will be right on there, and you will get to see this course in here. Okay. Also, I will give you a 90% discount code, coupon code in my video description, so you can check it out, the video description. Then you will get the coupon code, and if you like to enroll the course, then you can use this coupon code to enroll this course. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then simply click on this like button, and if you're new on my channel, so you can definitely do subscribe to my channels.